Since tumble dryers tend to make a lot of noise, the garage might seem like a logical place to put one. The main issue with putting a dryer in the garage is that garages can get very cold. It's risky to put a condenser or heat pump dryer in a cold place like the garage since they store water within the machine. If it gets cold enough, the water in the machine will freeze, which could easily damage the dryer. A vented dryer could be a better choice since it doesn't store water, but it will need a hole in the garage wall to vent through. As long as the ambient temperature doesn't drop below 5 degrees Celsius, it should be fine to put a vented or condenser tumble dryer in the garage. It might be better to make sure the garage's temperature doesn't drop below 10 Celsius just to be on the safe side. Heat pump dryers usually need an ambient temperature of at least 10 degrees Celsius to work well, so the garage will probably be too cold unless you heat it in the same way as the rest of the house. Tumble dryers also don't work as well in small spaces with poor air circulation, which could be an issue if your garage isn't very well ventilated. In summary, the more similar your garage is to a regular room in the house, the more suited it will be for a tumble dryer. If your garage gets very cold in the winter and doesn't have any ventilation, it's best to avoid putting a tumble dryer there. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.